Hey guys, just want to make a quick video today on how to get a cheap foam cannon and have it work as good as an expensive one. So here I have the Bowdens own snow blow cannon, which is around $100 when you buy it not on sale. They do come on sale fairly often for about 70, 80, and that's a good time to pick them up. And the way you buy them, they work great. But this one I bought on eBay for, it was actually $9 delivered, and they're not quite that cheap at the moment being around Christmas, but you can get them at the moment, I've looked, for about $15 delivered in Australia, so very good price. The problem is they don't exactly foam up the best the way you pick them up, so what you have to do, you buy one of these little orifices. This is one that I've actually damaged getting out. This is the one that comes with it. So this will only work really good for a petrol pressure washer. If you have an electric, you're going to need the smaller orifice, which is a 1.1mm. So you get these on eBay for about $8 delivered in Australia with free shipping. So combine the two and you're getting a foam cannon for under $20 a lot of the time, $30 max. So this one already has the upgraded orifice. This one has one when you buy it, and then this one has the one that comes with it, which is this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some concourse or NB snow. I'm going to put about 450 mils water in each of these with 50 mils of the snow, and then we're going to just quickly rinse down my Evo 10 and run the 3 different foam cannons over it and see if you can see the difference. So I'll just show you how you change the orifice in them. So this part here will undo. See inside there, probably too dark, but inside there you have a little orifice. Just get a flathead screwdriver in there. So not hard to do with one hand. And that's what you need. So this one is the 1.1, which is going to flow a lot better for a petrol, for an electric, sorry, pressure washer. And this one will go better for the petrol. So that's how you change them. So in this one I already have this smaller one. This one will go back in here as it came, and then this one has one of the cheaper ones that comes with this kit. So we should see similar foam from these two and worse from this one. So I'll fill them all up with some snow foam and reverse the car in and we'll see how they go. Alright, so let's test out the foam cannons. So this first one will be the cheap eBay one without the upgrade. So see how it goes. Okay, it's a little runny, still not too bad. So we'll rinse that off. Okay, so now we'll try the Bowdens. See how it goes. So as you can see, that one is just like shaving cream, super thick. So big difference to the cheap eBay. So we'll rinse that off and see if we can tell the difference, how much better it is than the cheap eBay with the upgraded orifice. Okay, now let's see how the eBay one with the 1.1mm orifice goes. So this ended up costing between $20 and $30, all ready to go and upgraded. So definitely not as thick as the Bowdens. So there's a difference, guys. Is it worth the extra $80, $60 to $80 to get the Bowdens to have the thicker snow? Probably not, considering you can buy 4 of these other ones. The replacement bottles are about $5 each if you happen to crack it. Both adjustable. Had both of these. This one, the Bowdens one, for about 2 years. This eBay one for about a year. It's up to you what you think you'd prefer. But for $20, it's not a bad thing to grab. Alright, I'm going to finish off washing the rest of my car. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.